WaterGen's GEN-M provides a renewable source of high-quality drinking water extracted from the air. The air is drawn into GEN-M, where filters remove dust and dirt. The air flows on through the patented Genius technology and undergoes a heat exchange and cooling process. This brings the air to its dew point, the temperature where condensation occurs and water is created. An integrated energy module optimizes water production in accordance with external atmospheric conditions. The water is channeled through physical, chemical, and biological treatment, followed by mineralization process to maintain its taste and health. The water is now ready for drinking and is stored in a built-in reservoir where it is continuously circulated to keep it fresh. Low in energy consumption, GEN-M generates 5 times more water per kilowatt-hour than any other existing technology, and can be operated by generators or solar panels. With easy installation and with no infrastructure required, GEN-M provides the best on-site renewable water source for communities, residential and commercial applications, emergency and natural disaster areas. WaterGen, creating drinking water from air for people everywhere.